fluffy slime. Look at this, guys. It's super fluffy.
It's four colors, guys.
That's not 4, that's 3, Sonia.
Oh!
This is 4.
AJ.
Yeah, that's 4. Okay. Now let's see the colors.
That blue, that green, that purple, that pink. Yeah, 4 colors.
Before you start playing with slime, you need to protect your table. We use this.
Now we'll play, AJ.
Okay, let's start playing with it. There's 1.
Thank you.
Here's
Wow. I stop playing with blue. Ah! Bigger pony slime. Bigger pony slime. It's raining, AJ. It's raining.
it's a fluffy. And it's super stretchy.
AJ, this is your color.
Wait. It's kind of like Play-Doh, but it's actually not.
AJ. I need this.
You had to wait with patience.
Yeah.
So you put your thumb. Wow, it's super fluffy.
It drums.
So don't forget to put the slime back in the box after play. So let's put this over there.
Ah!
Whoa! It has a little toy in it. It's a foam slime. It's a unicorn, guys. Let's get them all out.
I'm gonna cut it. It's like a watermelon.
This is kind of cool.
We are giving away for free slime. If you wanted to win, follow the rules and click the link down below. For the few can win and get this free slime. I'll be back, guys. Don't forget to click the link. Bye guys.